Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a drop-down menu in Flutter. A drop-down menu is a commonly used widget that allows users to select one option from a set of options. In Flutter, we can implement a drop-down using the Dropdown button widget. Step-by-step tutorial. 1. Setting up your Flutter environment. Before we begin, ensure that you have Flutter installed on your machine and a new Flutter project created. You can create a new project using the following command. Bash Flutter create dropdown _menu _example. Navigate to the project directory. Bash cd dropdown _menu _example. 2. Open the project. Open the project in your preferred IDE, like vscode, Android Studio, etc. 3. Modify the main.dart file. Open the lib/main.dart file and replace its contents with the following code. Dart. Import package flutter /material.dart. Void main. Run app, myapp. Class myapp extends stateless widget. At override. Widget build context. Return material app. Title, drop-down menu example. Theme data. Primary swatch, colors.blue. Home, drop-down menu demo. Class drop-down menu demo extends stateful widget. At override. _ drop-down menu demo state create a state, equals _ drop-down menu demo state. Class _ drop-down menu demo state extends state drop-down menu demo. String. Drop-down value, / variable to hold the selected value. / list of drop-down items. Final list string items equals. Option 1. Option 2. Option 3. Option 4. At override. Widget build context. Return scaffold. App bar. Title, text, drop-down menu example. Body, center. Child, drop-down button string. Value, drop-down value. Hint, text, select an option, / placeholder when no value is selected. Items, items.map, string item. Return drop-down menu item string. Value, item. Child, text, item. To list. Unchanged, string, new value. Set state. Drop-down value equals new value, / update the selected value. Is expanded, true. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing packages, we import the necessary Flutter material package. 2. Main function, the main function runs the app by calling run app, with our myapp widget. 3. Myapp widget, this is the root widget of the application. It sets up the theme and home page. 4. Drop-down menu demo widget, this is a stateful widget that contains the drop-down menu. 5. State management. String. Drop-down value, this variable holds the currently selected value. Final list string items, this is the list of options that the drop-down will show. 6. Drop-down button widget. Drop-down button string creates the drop-down menu. Value, sets the currently selected value. Hint, displays a hint when no value is selected. Items, maps each item in the list to a drop-down menu item. Unchanged, this callback is called when a new option is selected. It updates the drop-down value and calls setState to refresh the UI. 7 is expanded, this property expands the drop-down to fill the available width. 4. Running the application. To run the application, use the following command in your terminal. Bash. Flutter run. You should see a simple app with a drop-down menu that allows you to select from the options provided. Conclusion. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Flutter. This simple tutorial can be expanded to include more complex functionality, such as fetching data from a server or dynamically updating the drop-down options. You can also customize the appearance of the drop-down to match your app's design. Happy coding!